There are some times in life where you just fall and can't get back up. Are your damn legs weak?
Nope.
In this video, we're gonna teach you how to make your legs stronger. But I will not teach you anything again.
I will be your tutor again. In this video, I am going to focus on 6 main exercises. Those are squats, pistol squats, time squats, leg extension, mountain climber, and running. And you know, I'm not watching anything or reading like that. Uh, no. I'm not doing that. No, not at all. The first thing, squats. Just look at me. If you're experienced, you need to do almost 50 of these each day. And if you're a noob or a beginner, you only need to do about 20 a day. Second is the pistol squat. It's kind of hard. Watch me. Get further down as far as you can. Experienced people may do it about 20 times, and noobs, you can't do that. You can only do that about 5 times. If you can do it more than 5 times, push your limits. That's it. Third is a jump squat. Just watch me and get back, and you know me like that. Pros may do it about 40 times, and noobs may do it 20 times a day. I'm saying these doses according to a daily basis. If you can do more than that, you're a legend. Do it. Do it as much as you can. You're gonna be strong. Very strong. That's it. No, I'm not tired. This is the fourth one. Leg extension. Just watch me. Oh, wait. That's kind of easy. Pros may do it 50 times, and noobs may do it 20 times, like the most of these. Well, that's it. Next is the mountain climber. I know we've done this in abdominals, but it can help both for abs and legs. Just watch me again if you have watched our abdominals video. Pros can do it as much as they want, and noobs may do it as much as they want, because this is the easiest one of all these. It will help. Really, trust me. I'm not joking. I'm really serious this time. This will help. That's it. Sixth and the last one. Run! Run as much as you can. Noobs may do it 5 times. And if you're a pro, you can do it 10 or more. Wait a second. 5 times. By 5 times, I mean 5 kilometers. That was my fault. My bad. I'm sorry. Noobs may do it 5 kilometers as a deadline for the day. And pros may do it 10 kilometers or more. That's it. But wait. Take it easy. I know you have a lot of free time, so I'm saying this. Watch our outro. Really, that's it for right now. But wait for the outro, then exit the video. A few kilobytes is nothing.
Yo, you there. So you watched the complete video. Very good for you. And don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and send it to your friends. And don't forget the notification bell. Bam bam. And yes, don't forget to comment. It will really help us.
Thanks for sticking to the last of the video. It's really helping us. Thanks again and thanks again. Goodbye.